Okay, tonight I am cooking spaghetti for dinner, and over here you can see I'm browning my ground meat. In here I've got bell peppers, onions, garlic, and some mushrooms. I've got oregano, garlic salt, and black pepper for seasoning. But it's just about done, and then I'm going to drain it and add the sauce to it. I don't really, I haven't made my own homemade spaghetti sauce yet before, and I don't plan on doing that right now, but this smells really good. This is about a pound of ground meat. It looks like a lot more, but it's pretty lean, but I'm still draining it. I don't leave the grease in anything, but I think with all the vegetables I added in is what's making it look like a lot more. And I think I'm going to put some of my basil in there as well. I don't know, can you see that? That's a little basil growing in the window. Put some of that in there, but this is the sauce. This one is pretty good actually. This home style ragu is not regular, but this one is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna mix that one in there. And I didn't have any garlic toast, so I'm gonna make some with these extra hamburger buns that I had. I put butter and garlic salt, and I'm gonna just toast those in the oven. And then I'll get back with you guys with the end result of the sauce and the plates. So now you can see I've got the noodles boiled and draining right here. I've added some cheese on top of my garlic bread to make some garlic cheesy bread. And then the sauce is just about done. See, this is my version of meat sauce. There's probably more meat than sauce in here, but look at it. Looks great.
What is it?
My sauce.
Oh. Let me try it. You judge this. That's good.
Okay, so here's my final result. My bowl. And it's only missing one thing. Some Parmesan cheese. Hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe and share. Thank you.